Fish on. Fish on.
Yep.
Shut up.
You got it. You gotta let him up. He's not gonna come up. It's so high stick.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, he's going away. It's okay.
Keep it up.
Oh, you're all right. He's pissed now. Hold on. There you go. Holy shit.
Uh-huh.
You gonna make it? I think so. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there he is. He's pissed now. He didn't know he was hooked.
Never mind, wind. Okay. Oh. Put your bail. Put your bail.
There you go.
Now leave it open.
I don't think he's gonna make it. He's gonna be damn funny. He fight harder than a catfish? Yes. Oh, yeah.
That's a beast. All right.
Go. There you go, right there.
That's a...
Alright, we're out of here. We're good. Go head back to the corner. There you go. Take your time. Let him do his jump. Oh, fuck.
Oh shit! And there's one right behind it. There's another one right behind it. Hey, shit. Yep. Holy Holy suck.
Good. She's out. Oh. God, woman, slow down.